Hello! Today we are going to be reviewing the Hyatt Regency at Clearwater Beach, Florida. This spacious hotel is perfectly located on Clearwater Beach. But is it the right choice for your family? Stick around to find out. We're also going to explain how you can stay at this hotel completely free. Welcome to Party of Six Travel. We recently had the pleasure of staying at the Hyatt Regency at Clearwater Beach, and overall it was a wonderful experience. The hotel's location is absolutely unbeatable, with direct access to the stunning white sand beaches that Clearwater is famous for. It was so convenient to be just steps away from the beach, where we spent hours soaking up the sun and enjoying the serene waters. The surrounding area is also fantastic. Within walking distance, you'll find plenty of shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. It was great to be so close to everything we wanted to explore, making our stay even more enjoyable. The hotel itself is beautiful. The lobbies and hallways are elegantly designed, with a spacious, open feel and stylish decor. You can really tell that attention has been given to making the hotel both luxurious and welcoming. The property's design, along with its prime location, creates a relaxing and upscale atmosphere. Our room, while perhaps a bit dated, was very clean and well maintained. The kitchenette was equipped with everything we needed, which was a nice touch for those who prefer to cook a few meals during their stay. It was clear the hotel takes care in keeping things tidy and functional, though a slight refresh of the room would elevate it even more. The service overall was good, though perhaps not quite up to the exceptional standards we have come to expect from Hyatt. While the staff was friendly and helpful, we did notice a few small areas where the service didn't quite hit the mark as consistently as the other Hyatt properties we've stayed at in the past. The stunning rooftop pool was amazing. The views were unlike anything you could really get anywhere else, and the pool, with its calming waterfalls, were the perfect way to end a day in Clearwater. In the summer especially, however, this area can get crowded. Here's a pro tip though. Very few visitors of the hotel know about or visit the hot tub on the Terrace, the top level of the hotel, which is even more breathtaking. Sometimes events such as weddings are being held in this area, but more often than not, it's a great little oasis to get away from the crowds you might find elsewhere in the hotel. The Hyatt Regency offers many amenities outside of their excellent pool. There is, for example, a fully equipped fitness center to which all guests have complimentary 24-hour access, as well as a full-service spa. An especially great feature for those longer stays is the on-site laundry facilities. There are also dining opportunities throughout the hotel, including the poolside bar and restaurant, Shore for breakfast and dinner, and the Market for breakfast or snacks. The Hyatt Regency also offers an airport shuttle, and since there are so many great things to see and do within walking distance, as we'll cover in just a moment, you could do this trip without renting a car if you wanted to. Through the hotel, there are beach umbrella and cabana rentals. These are set up outside and provided by the hotel. These costs can vary, but we found it extremely worth it because of the busy time at which we were there and the general lack of shade on the beach. One of our favorite things about this hotel was not only how close it is to the beach, but how close it is to the world-famous Pier 60. It is a gorgeous location at all times of day, but we were amazed when we came and visited for the nightly sunset celebration at the pier, which happens around 4 to 8 p.m., featuring artisans, performers, and some of the most amazing sunsets you have ever seen. As previously mentioned, staying at this hotel also put us within walking distance of lots of shopping and dining opportunities. There are stores and hotels on every side of you, and it's super fun to explore the area around the hotel. If you are up for a bit of a longer walk, the Clearwater Marine Aquarium is just 1.4 miles away from this hotel. If you have a kid that loves dolphins or any other ocean creatures, it's definitely worth a visit. The price we paid for this amazing stay was $0. We booked this room on points. For those who don't know, Hyatt has a great loyalty program, and you can transfer Chase credit card points to your Hyatt account and then redeem those points for free stays. We also had globalist status for this stay, which is Hyatt's top tier status and comes with lots of perks. That usually includes an upgrade to a suite if it's available. Sadly, we did not get a suite on this trip, but we did get a breakfast credit for each of us each morning and free valet parking. Also, when you stay at Hyatt properties on points, any applicable resort fee is waived. This particular hotel has a $35 per night resort fee, so that can really add up. We paid 25,000 points per night for this room. And to give you an idea of how great that is, if you assume 1 point is worth 1 cent, that would be like getting this room for $2.50 a night. But staying here in the summer, the cash rate for this room typically will set you back anywhere from $3.50 to $4.50 per night. These particular points came from a welcome bonus we got from opening one of Chase's many excellent travel credit cards. Overall, the Hyatt Regency at Clearwater Beach is a great choice for a beachside getaway. With its fantastic location, stunning beach, beautiful common areas, and convenient amenities. If you're looking for a relaxing, beach-focused vacation with easy access to dining and shopping, this hotel is a solid option. Thanks for watching, and if you found this information useful, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more helpful reviews and travel tips. See you next time!